Hi, welcome to part 2 of a Roboflow training movie. In the first part I showed you how to create a hot collection template workflow which would remove a category and add a category. Quick check, I have the sample catalog, I have the categories which I will launch a query against. I'm looking for all records attached to the test delete category. And then in the action script, I'm saying process all categories from a record. One thing to mention is, depending on your Cumulus or Roboflow version, if you have a version prior to 9.1.25, the starting path where you're looking for has to be lowercase. Otherwise it won't work. More recent versions can just put any case they like, and this will process the records, and it will store the record path. It will write that in the log file, so you notice that which category he is going to delete, and then he is actually removing the category. Then when he went through all the records categories and removed the ones from that particular subcategory, it will create a new category, or at least store the category object if it already exists, and then it will test if that was successful, and if that was successful it will add it to the record. If it's not successful, it will write in the log a failure message that it failed to add that particular category. Good. So let's run the workflow. We have here the catalog ready for us, and we can start the workflow. And if we go and have a look here, we see that he has already created this particular category, and in the end we could also delete the category itself if we wanted, but we didn't do that in this test. If you want to see his progress, you just go to the show log, and you can see here that he removed a category from the record, and removed a category from the record, and there was no additional error message saying that it failed to remove the rest. If you ever doubt which version of Roboflow you're using, just click this button, version info. This only exists since 9.1.24 or 23. And then you get the information about the web interface version and which fixes, and you get information about Roboflow backend and the fixes. So this was a quick test and example of how the workflow could process all the records from a category. That's all for now. Thank you for joining, and see you in the next movie.